Good morning, my great ambassadors. You are all welcome to Home Economics online class. How have you been doing? I know you are all fine. Glad to have you back. Today's topic is mineral elements. In this lesson, we will be learning the meaning of mineral elements, the two groups of mineral elements, examples of each mineral element, functions of mineral elements, sources, deficiency, and how to prevent the deficiency. Mineral elements. What are mineral elements? Mineral elements are inorganic elements found in food which the body cannot synthesize. That is, the body cannot produce them. These mineral elements, they are required by the body in order to develop and grow properly. These are some of the important mineral elements. Calcium, potassium, these are macro elements. Then while iron and magnesium are micro elements. The two groups of mineral elements are macro elements, which is also known as macronutrients. Micro elements, which is also known as micronutrients. These are the two groups of mineral elements. Now, macro elements or micro elements. Macro means big or large. Macronutrients provide our bodies with energy for growth and activity. They are used to build and repair tissues and also to regulate the body processes. Now, elements or macronutrients are required in large amounts or quantities by the body, which provide bulk energy. Macronutrients. These are foods where macronutrients can be gotten from. You can see on the screen, you can see carbs. These carbs means carbohydrates, proteins, and fats Examples of macro elements and macro elements. Examples of macro elements or macronutrient foods. These are the examples of macronutrient foods. As you can see them on the screen, these are examples. Now, one of the examples of macro elements or macronutrients, I would like to discuss one, which is calcium. Functions of calcium. 1. For building strong bones and teeth. 2. For normal clotting of blood. 3. For normal functioning of the muscles and nerves. Children, I want you to note that osteo means bone and malacia means softness. What are the sources of calcium? Yogurt, seafood, legumes, milk, cheese, some green vegetables. These are sources of calcium. Now, deficiency of calcium. That is, if you don't have enough of calcium in the body, it can lead to bone diseases, poor teeth formation, poor clotting of blood, poor growth, rickets in children. Such child may be suffering from rickets. Then in adults, it is called osteomalacia, which means bone softness. Now, how can you prevent this deficiency of calcium? Children should be able to eat more of foods that are rich in calcium, like milk, legumes, some green vegetables, and so on. Now, the second group of mineral elements is microelements or macronutrients. Microelements are required in very little quantities by the body. Micro means little or small. So these micronutrients Since they are needed by the body in small quantity, the minerals and most of the vitamins the body needs must be obtained from the food you eat, since your body cannot produce them. Microelements or macronutrients. They are referred to vitamins and minerals. Your body cannot produce minerals or vitamins, so your body needs to get them from outside sources. Vitamins and minerals fight against diseases, develop the brain, aid in growth, and do many more things for your body. Without these vitamins and minerals, your body will be prone to diseases. Now, these are examples of microelements or micronutrient foods. As you can see them on the screen. Now, one of the examples of microelements or micronutrients, one of them is, I would like to explain one of them, which is iron. Function of iron. These are the functions of iron. Is essential for blood production. Iron is found in red blood cells called hemoglobin. Now, what are the sources of iron? Dark green vegetables, kidney, meat, liver, egg yolk, and so on. Now, deficiency of iron. Anemia. One of them is anemia, which is the first one, means shortage of blood. And these are the signs of shortage of blood. Number 1 is weakness, dizziness, loss of weight, and pale eyes. And the second deficiency of iron is loss of appetite. The third one is fatigue. Now, I want to quickly talk about the differences between macronutrients and micronutrients. Number 1, macronutrients are required in large amounts, while the micronutrients are required in small amounts. Number 2, examples of macronutrients are protein, water, fat, and carbohydrates, while examples of micronutrients are minerals and vitamins. Number 3, macronutrients are rich in cereals, legumes, meat, fish, yams, potatoes, nuts, and so on, while micronutrients are rich in mainly vegetables and fruits. Number 4, macronutrients provide bulk energy to the body, while micronutrients provide growth and prevent diseases. Number 5, macronutrients has 6 macro essential nutrients. There are 6 macro essential nutrients, which are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and so on. While in micronutrients, there are 7 micro essential nutrients, which are iron, manganese, boron, zinc, and so on. Children, please attempt the quiz and the assignment attached on Edmodo platform. Children, my great ambassadors, please stay safe and enjoy yourself. See you next time. Bye.